Hey guys, Silver Bullet Ballistics here, and today I'm going to be shooting 3 different revolvers. This is a 22, a 32, and a 38 special. So first up, we're going to be shooting the 22 revolver. This little Chiappa would be great for someone who's just starting out. It's only chambered in 22. Or you can have your kids shoot it. Ammo is very cheap for it. So, just something fun to mess around with. The next gun is going to be a Ruger 32. It's like another step up from the 22. Now these are both single action. The 22, you have to cock this back halfway and open up this little gate to load and unload it. With the 32, all you have to do is open up the gate and the cylinder is free. Makes it really nice. So right here on the right is a 22 round, and then on the left is a 32 round. Here's another side-by-side comparison. So it's a little bit bigger. The 32 is just like a little mini 9mm. That's what it reminds me of. So this is why I call it a mini 9mm round. It's because this is the 32 round, and then this is the 9mm. Again, 32 is on the left, and then the 9 is on the right. Just a little baby 9mm. And the next part of this video is going to be this 38 special. It is double action, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep it as single action. I'm going to pull the hammer back every time. So over on the right, the 22 round, in the middle is the 32 round, and then on the left is the 38 special round.